Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of differentiation. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us that if 2x raised to y plus 3y raised to x is equal to 20, then we have been asked to find the derivative dy by dx at x equal to 2 and y. So we have been asked to find the dy by dx at 2 comma 2. And if I see the four options that are given to me here, the options are minus 3 plus log 16 to the base e upon 4 plus log 8 to the base. Second option given to me here is minus 2 plus log 8 to the base e upon 3 plus log 4 to the base e. Third option given to me here is minus 3 plus log 8 to the base e upon 2 plus log 4 to the base e. And the last option given to me is minus 3 plus log 4 to the base e upon 2 plus log 8. Let's figure out what is the correct answer for the question which is asked to us. So if I write that expression first, 2x raised to y plus 3y raised to x equal to 20. And I need dy by dx. So what I'll do is I'll substitute this as one function, let's say u, and this as v. So if I substitute this as u and this as v, my expression nu becomes 2u plus 3v, it's equal to 20. Once I have this expression and if I differentiate it with respect to x, because I need to find dy with respect to x, dy by dx. So if I differentiate this above function with respect to x, I get that as 2 du by dx plus 3 dv by dx. It's equal to derivative of 20, which is a constant term, so 0. So you get 2 du by dx plus 3 dv by dx equal to 0. This is your first equation. Once you have u and v here as x raised to y and y raised to x, I can just differentiate it with respect to x on both sides and find du by dx and dv by dx. So u, if I try to find it out, it was x raised to y. So if I differentiate it with respect to x, what I will do is before differentiating it with respect to x, I'll take log on both sides so it becomes easier for us to understand. So it becomes log u is equal to log x raised to y. If I use the idea of logarithms, I can take y ahead, so it becomes y log x and log u. Now if I differentiate it with respect to x, I get derivative of log u is 1 by u du by dx. It is equal to y log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. So you have du by dx as y by x plus log x dy by dx multiplied with u taking on the other side, so multiplied with u, and u we already know it is x raised to y. So you get du by dx x raised to y multiplied with y by x plus log x dy by dx. So you get du by dx replaced like this. Now also let's find dv by dx. So we have been given y, v again as y raised to x. Again, if I take log on both sides, I get log y is log y raised to x. So if I take x ahead, you get x log y here, and this is equal to log of v. So if I differentiate it again with respect to x, I get 1 by v dv by dx. It is equal to x. Derivative of log y, that is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into derivative of x, that is 1. So you get this entire expression as dv by dx equal to v into x by y dy by dx plus log. So basically your dv by dx entirely becomes y raised to x by y dy by dx plus log. So you get dv by dx also here. Now once I have dv by dx, let's mark that as equation 3. Once I also have du by dx, let's mark that as equation 2. So I have du by dx, I have dv by dx. I can substitute that in equation 1. So let's do that. If I substitute, so putting equation 2 and 3 in 1. So you get 2 times du by dx. So du by dx is x raised to y into y by x plus log x dy by dx plus 3 times you have y raised to x. Here you have x by y dy by dx plus log 1. That is equal to 0. So if I solve this further to find dy by dx at x equal to 2 and y equal to 2, I have to do that, right? So I have to find dy by dx at x and y equal to 2. So let's just substitute it here only so it becomes easier for us to understand. We don't need to solve further for dy by dx. So let's put x and y both 2 here. So once I put x and y both 2, my expression becomes 2, 2 square, 2 by 2 plus log 2 dy by dx plus 3. Here I get that as y raised to x, which is again 2 raised to 2. X by y again becomes 2 by 2 dy by dx plus log y again I'm putting that as 2. So I get 2 is equal to 0. So if I solve this further, let's see what I get. So I get 2 multiplied entirely with 2 square, that makes it 8. This becomes 1 plus log 2 dy by dx. So 8 into 1 plus log 2. Log 2 is multiplied with dy by dx. Dy by dx plus 3 into 4, that is 12. 2 by 2 is 1 again, so dy by dx plus log. So you get this entirely as 8 plus 8 log 2 dy by dx plus 12 dy by dx plus 12 log. So dy by dx, if I take it out common, I get 12 plus 8 log 2. So with that, whenever we are writing log 2, it basically means we are talking about the base e only. So I'll start writing base as e, so it becomes easier for us to conclude as well. Plus what you are left with is 8 plus 12 log. So you get this entirely dy by dx 12 plus 8 log 2 to the base e. It is equal to minus of 8 plus 12 log 2 to the base. So you get dy by dx turning out to become minus. Here you have 8 plus 12 log 2 the base e. Upon here you have in the denominator as 12 plus 8 log the base. So if I take out 4 common from both of the ideas, I get 2 plus 3 log 2 to the base e. Here also if I take out 4 common, you have 3 plus 2 log. So you get this 4 and 4 gets cancelled out. You are left with minus 2 plus 3 log 2 upon 3 plus log 2. So if I try to frame my equation, because if you see here in the options, with log you do not have any coefficients ahead of log. So what we'll do is we'll use the idea of log and take them as the powers. So if I try to take them as the powers, it becomes minus 2 plus log 2 to the base e. 3 if I take it in the power, it becomes 2 cube. Here you get 3 plus log 2 to the base e and it becomes square. So you get dy by dx at 2 comma 2 as minus 2 plus log 8 to the base e upon, here you get 3 plus log 4 to the base. So if you see the option that matches here with the question, minus 2 plus log 8 to the base e upon, you have 3 plus log 4 to the base, right? So that is the idea. And if you see the option that matches here with the question, it is option. So B is the correct answer for the question given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of finding the differentiation of y with respect to x at x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So what we did was, first we took this as u and took this as v. Then we found out du by dx and dv by dx separately. Once we found that out, du by dx and dv by dx, we just substituted that in the expression. And we solved that further, putting x and y equal to 2. So we got dy by dx entirely after solving as this, which matches with option B. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on 11th, 12th as well as JEE Mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of the questions on JEE Mains. So they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.